Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can do a face pack that can help to lighten your skin. We're going to be using 3 major compounds. We're going to be using besan flower, turmeric powder, natural clay mask or multani methi. I'm going to be using some lemon as well. We're going to be using besan flower because this helps to remove dead skin cells and brightens your skin tone. It also helps to remove tan and lighten skin color. It also helps to remove oiliness. So gram flower or besan flower is very good for lightening your skin. On the other hand, turmeric is a very good ingredient for skin whitening because of the bleaching properties that it contains. We are going to be using fuller's earth as well because it is believed to be a good skin lightening ingredient. It helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots. It helps to balance the pH of your skin and to remove all the oiliness on your skin. And lemon also is very good because of the bleaching properties. Take half a teaspoon of fuller's earth. And we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of gram flour or besan flour, half teaspoon of turmeric, squeeze in some lemon juice as well, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and you use some water to mix. So this is your complete face pack for skin lightening. When you are done doing this, apply it on your body, any part of your body where you want to lighten, or your hands, your legs, your face, your inner elbows, your underarms, anywhere you want to lighten. Just take a bit of this and massage it into your skin like so. So after you've done it like this and you've applied it like this, leave it to dry and leave it on your skin for at least 20 minutes, after which you wash your face or any part of your body where you've applied it on. You wash it after 20 minutes, then you apply your favorite moisturizer. You can apply some almond oil or some papaya oil because they also have bleaching properties that can help to lighten your skin. How often can you do this? You can do this every day till you achieve results, or do it every other day until you achieve your results. So that's my video for you guys today. If you learned something, kindly give this a thumbs up, kindly share, kindly subscribe, and I'll see you some other time. Bye.